What if the James Webb Space Telescope turned its gaze not toward the edge of the universe, but back toward us? Could it see Earth from light years away? Could it detect life? Or even civilization? Let's find out what Webb would really see if it pointed at Earth. First, a quick reminder: the James Webb Space Telescope doesn't see in the way our eyes do. It views the universe in infrared light, the heat radiation emitted by stars, planets, gas clouds, and more. Infrared has a longer wavelength than visible light, which allows Webb to see through dust clouds and detect the faintest heat signatures from distant objects. It's so sensitive, it could detect the heat of a bumblebee on the moon. So, could it detect Earth from far away? Absolutely. In fact, it could detect Earth from dozens of light years away, just like it's detecting planets orbiting distant stars. To Webb, Earth would appear as a pale infrared dot, glowing gently in the darkness of space. But that's just the beginning. By analyzing the light from the sun that passes through Earth's atmosphere, just like it does for distant planets, Webb could detect the chemical fingerprints of life. It would see oxygen and ozone, which are strong biosignatures; water vapor, which hints at habitability; carbon dioxide and methane, especially if both appear in large quantities, suggesting an imbalance that could only be explained by biology. This is exactly what James Webb is doing right now, for planets that are hundreds of light years away. Now here's the big question. Could it detect human civilization? Sadly, not directly. James Webb has extremely high sensitivity, but its spatial resolution, its ability to see tiny details, is limited. At a distance of even 1 light-year, James Webb couldn't see cities, buildings, or satellites. Earth would still be a single glowing pixel. But through spectroscopy, it might detect industrial pollutants in the air. Some scientists believe telescopes could one day detect artificial chemicals and gases, hinting at technology. Now flip the question. If an alien civilization had a telescope just like Webb, and they were 50 light-years away, they could be seeing Earth as it looked in the 1970s. That's how long it takes our light to reach them. They might detect oxygen, water, and maybe even suspect something strange is happening here. But they wouldn't see us. Just like us, they'd be left with the ultimate mystery. Is anyone home, or just the glow of a warm living world? James Webb can't see people, cities, or lights, but it can sense something more powerful: the signature of life itself. And if we can do that, imagine who else might also be watching.